This is how we scored a free shed from Facebook Marketplace. As soon as we bought our house, I found this free shed on Facebook Marketplace, with the only condition that we had to take it down ourselves. Nick disassembled the shed and we took it home. Nick's parents had some pavers that they didn't need in this space anymore, so we took them home ourselves. Nick got to work measuring out where we needed the shed to be, and we picked this spot up the back because it'll be completely out of the way of any renovations coming along in the future. After marking the space out, he got rid of all of the turf and started digging the pad out with the help of Jet. To lay the pavers down, we got the help of my dad and my little brother. This process definitely took the longest in this project, and that's just because we wanted to make sure that platform was really flat. The pavers had a little bit of dirt or sand on the side of them, so Dad and I scraped those off while Nick laid them.
Last one.
Oh.
Are you going to do your dancing?
Yeah, that's the dance floor. How is it for dancing?
Not too bad.
Alright.
I don't know.
Assembling the shed was fairly easy, but it made it so much easier because when Nick took it apart, he actually labelled each section. It was almost like putting something together from IKEA.
Yep.
We used this Milwaukee cordless pop riveter to put the whole thing together.
Yeah, third from the bottom. Okay, go now. Yep.
Bloody beautiful, honey.
I think you should be right in there now. Ian. Yeah, no, I'm good in here. That's great.
Good.
Yep.
Once the whole shed was together, we devised a plan to sturdy it up a little bit as well as connect it to the ground somehow. Nick repurposed some materials to create a frame for the shed. Now the shed would sit on top of this and it would allow us to peg the whole structure into the ground. He moved the shed forward from that platform, popped the frame down, and then moved the shed back onto the frame. And you can see it here sitting on top of that frame. He also welded these tabs onto the frame, which allowed us to peg this into the ground. And we definitely needed to do this because if we had a really big storm or something, that shed probably would have gone flying. To finish it off, we waterproofed it by siliconing the bottom gap, and then it was done. I wanted to show you us putting this shed in before this corner of the garden starts to change, and the plans for that are coming up in the next couple of weeks or so. This free shed has been the perfect solution for storage while we wait for our big renovation shed. Hopefully this video has inspired you to jump on Facebook Marketplace and see what you can find for free. Stay up to date with our renovations by subscribing and following us on Instagram. Thanks for watching!